Welcome to the transformative journey of building self-discipline, where you will learn to harness the power within you to overcome challenges, achieve your goals, and become the best version of yourself. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by distractions, struggling to stay focused, or falling victim to procrastinations? It's time to break free from these limitations and unlock the remarkable potential that lies within you. In this empowering guide, we will embark on a step-by-step exploration of mindset, habit, and strategies. Get ready to rewrite the narrative of your life, one decision at a time. This is all about self-discipline.
It also makes you disciplined, and once you're disciplined, like you're like a sharpened sword, man, like a well-tempered blade, and then you can go out there and operate in the world.
Undisciplined men end up in the hospital or in a prison, or they end up in a grave.
3 years ago, I was the kid who did not have respect in the society, who was fat, and who could easily bullied and rejected by the other people. I was that kid who was a bit of nerd and lazy, doesn't want something special new in the life. Then how I transformed myself from this nerd guy to this playboy. Fortunately, there is a solution. The name of the solution is self-discipline. They say laughter is the best medicine, so let's begin this video with some funny quotes by Mark Twain. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you would rather not. This quote perfectly captures the essence of the self-discipline, doesn't it? There is a widely held belief that self-discipline means being able to do something that you actually don't want to do it. People who believe this think that self-discipline means going to the gym, reading book, or eating chicken and broccoli when you don't actually want to do it. For them, self-discipline means ignoring your authentic self in favor of your ideal self. But this point of view of self-discipline is completely deluded. Self-discipline is not denying your authentic self in favor of your ideal self. It is denying your lazy self in favor of truer and stronger self. So now let's get into the topic. Beware of the snooze button monster. We all know how tempting it is to hit that snooze button in the morning. But remember that extra 10 minutes won't make you feel like a superhero. Instead, imagine your alarm clock as a tiny monster named Mr. Snooze who feeds on your productivity. We all have that cozy bubble we love to snuggle into, but self-discipline growth happens outside the comfort zone. Stay away from your comfort zone. We can visualize our comfort zone as a fluffy blanket that's trying to warp you. My comfort zone was lazy, being not able to do some physical activities. The time-sucking vortex of social media. It's like quicksand for your self-discipline. Imagine your smartphone as a playful prankster who lures you into the black hole of endless scrolling. If you are stuck into the lures of social media, you should try a dopamine detoxification. That I had already posted a video about dopamine detoxification in my channel, or I will simply put the link in the description bar, or you can click the I button. We've all hopped on this bandwagon at some point. Remember that procrastination is the arch enemy of the self-discipline. So imagine yourself riding a hilarious imaginary vehicle called Procrastica. Whenever you feel its pull, remind yourself of what was Abraham Lincoln said. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Jump off the car and get the things done. The endless battle we have with our refrigerator. Imagine your refrigerator as a comedic character who is tempting you by its goodies. It's like that famous quote by Oscar Wilde, "I can't resist anything except temptation." So before opening the fridge door, ask yourself if you really need a food or it is just a clever distraction from your goal.